Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about credit card usage and its tips. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. It's a thrilling experience to get authorized for a new credit card. You've just received a valuable tool that can assist you in building credit, earning rewards, and making significant purchases with ease. While there are many reasons why you would want to use your credit card, bear in mind that the convenience may come at a price when used carelessly. Credit cards can quickly put you in debt. Credit cards are the most frequent tool people use to establish and rebuild their credit, whether they're new to using them or wanting to improve their existing credit. While credit cards should primarily be used to develop credit, there are situations when they might be useful, such as paying off debts or financing significant items that you can't afford to pay in cash. However, you should only do this if you have a credit card with a low annual percentage rate, APR, close to or equal to 0%. Higher interest rates/APRs imply higher borrowing costs, and you'd like to keep as much of your money as possible. Financial institutions may offer you cards with introductory 0% APR incentives if you have a strong credit score. Essentially, you won't be responsible for making interest payments on any of the money you spend on the card for a set number of months, typically 6 to 18. If you don't stick to a budget or have a precise repayment plan, using credit cards to pay for goods you can't afford in cash is a risky habit. Carrying huge revolving balances on high-interest credit cards for an extended period of time may result in interest payments that force you to become deeply in debt before you realize it. Maintain a low level of balance. Maintaining a low credit card balance may make it easier to pay off debt in whole and minimize the amount of interest you pay each month. Use less than 30% of your total credit limit. The ratio of your credit card balance to your credit limit is referred to as credit utilization. It has a significant impact on how FICO calculates your credit score. Maintaining a decent credit score requires using less than 30% of your credit card's credit limit. Keep track of your bills and pay them in time. Another essential component in determining your FICO credit score is your payment history. Paying your bills on time ensures that you have a good payment history. Furthermore, paying your credit card payments on time ensures that you will not be charged late fees. Make a larger payment than the minimum required. The less interest you pay on the money you borrow each month, the lower the balance on your card will be. Paying your bill in full each month is the greatest way to avoid excessive interest payments. If paying your balance in full isn't an option, the next best thing is to put as much money as possible toward it. Simply remember that the more money you put toward an outstanding balance, the less interest you'll have to pay over time. Keep an eye out for unauthorized charges on your credit card. Fraudulent charges on your credit card can quickly accumulate scary amounts of debt. You'll be able to spot fraudulent purchases more quickly if you keep a close eye on your card activity. Many credit cards now provide notifications if suspicious activity is identified on your account. Also, look for a credit card that provides accountability for fraudulent charges. This means you will not be held liable for any credit card charges you did not authorize. Keep the card in your wallet in case of an emergency. Your credit score is affected by the age of your oldest credit card account, so keeping it open could help you develop credit in the long run. You'll always have at least one account open if you keep your card for emergencies only. Keep in mind that some credit card providers may terminate your account if you don't use it for a long period of time, so it's worth it to use your card for a minor purchase every now and then to keep it alive. Rewards are multiplied when you use strategic card combinations. Rewards credit cards come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but they usually fall into one of two categories. A flat rate card pays the same rewards rate on everything, or it offers extra rewards in selected categories and a lower base rate on purchases outside those categories. Combining cards with bonus rewards in the areas where you spend the most, as well as an excellent flat rate card for everything else, will help you dramatically increase your profits. Changing your deadline can help you stay on track. It's bad news if you don't pay your credit card bill on time. You'll almost certainly be charged a hefty late fee, and since your payment history accounts for 35% of your FICO score, a late or missed payment can be terrible to your credit. If your credit card due date falls at an inconvenient period during the month, whether owing to your schedule or your financial flow, ask your issuer if you may change it. You might be able to do so by going online or phoning your issuer. Bonus malls and offers might make you a lot of money. If you're a frequent online shopper, see if your issuer offers a bonus mall or card-linked deals where you may earn additional points. If you do this, you can get 10% cash back on a purchase instead of the usual 1% to 2%. Alternatively, you might receive an immediate rebate of $5, $10, or more. Some issuers place a greater emphasis on these alternatives than others. To see what's available, go to your issuer's website or app. Mid-cycle payments may help you improve your credit score. Every month, your credit card company sends information about your account to the 3 major credit bureaus. Your balance is one important piece of information that is given, as it is utilized to compute your credit use ratio. That proportion refers to how much of your available credit you're currently using. If you have a $5,000 credit limit and a $1,000 balance, for example, your credit utilization is 20%. Your credit score is heavily influenced by your credit utilization. It's part of the amounts you owe category, which accounts for 30% of your FICO score. In general, you should aim for a utilization rate of less than 30%, but the lower the better. Budgeting tools can assist you with your spending. The majority of major credit card companies include expenditure analysis tools that you can access through your online account. You select a time period, a month, a year, or a custom term, and the tool displays how much money you've spent on your card in various categories. Those categories are usually chosen by the merchant where you spent your money: supermarkets, gas stations, restaurants, and department stores, for example. Balance alerts can help you keep track of your expenditures. When you pay with cash, it's easy to keep track of how much you're spending as the 10s and 20s disappear from your wallet. It's not as easy to keep track of how much you spend on a credit card, or a debit card, for that matter, especially if you're new to credit. Many credit card companies, on the other hand, let you set up balance alerts, which send you a text, email, or in-app message when your balance approaches a preset threshold. You might create an alert for when your balance reaches a certain threshold, such as $500 or 30% of your credit limit, the point at which a balance might start to ding your credit score. Install the app on your phone. You can keep track of your credit card account on the road by using the mobile app for your credit card. You can access your account at any time to check your balance, available credit, payment status, report a lost or stolen credit card, and more. Much of this might be done through your phone's browser, but apps are frequently designed to be faster and easier to use on mobile devices. Make the most of the extra benefits. In addition to cashback or travel rewards, many credit cards offer additional benefits. Many credit cards include rental vehicle insurance, waived checked baggage fees, travel insurance, price protection, which provides a return if an item's price reduces after you acquire it, and extended warranty, to name a few. Log into your online account to study your credit card agreement or call customer support if you have questions regarding the benefits that come with your credit card. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.